Welcome back to German with Andy. This is the German for Beginners course. This is day 7. Wow, already day 7. I can't believe it. Alright, well, let's get into it. We want to learn how to say goodbye in a few different ways. The first one, goodbye, Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Which is like the formal goodbye. There are other ways of saying it. For example, Tschüss. Tschüss. Which means like bye, goodbye. And then you have bis bald. Bis bald. See you soon. And bis später. Bis später. Like in see you later, right? Okay, so again we had Auf Wiedersehen, Tschüss, bis bald, bis später. How to use it? Auf Wiedersehen literally means hope to see you again, and that's why you use it in a formal way, in a business setting or when you enter a shop and you don't know the person in the shop. Occasions like these. And informal, Tschüss, bis bald, bis später. These are used when you talk to friends or family, in not such a business environment. Alright? Well, I hope this helped you. And how do you say goodbye to me now? Well, I would say Auf Wiedersehen, bis später.